Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a kind of odd fellow and a familiar face. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Goku Black Super Saiyan ROS'E. You see, if you must know, Goku Black, he's a man who looks exactly like Goku, but you see, he wasn't exactly like how Grandpa Gohan raised him. You see, at first, he's actually from Trunks' future, and his dedication and fortitude is to exterminate the human race in the sake of justice. At first, they thought that he was a copy of Goku created with the Super Dragon Balls. But actually, he was a Supreme Kai named Zamasu, who actually took over Goku's actual body, then jumped to Trunks' alternate timeline, recruited that version of Zamasu, and wished for him to be invincible. Boy, did we get that wrong. During one of the fights against Goku, he manages to transform into his Super Saiyan ROS'E transformation, where he has the ability to transform into a pinkish version of a pink-like god version of Super Saiyan Blue, which was a kind of a ripoff actually. You see, Super Saiyan forms are different in many ways, but Super Saiyan God and Super Saiyan ROS'E. But that is so odd. I cannot believe how Zamasu manages to perfect Goku's body so easily. He feels like he took it for some noble cause. The reason why he destroyed Trunks' timeline is because he's angry at him because he tried to change the past when he shouldn't have. So that's what allowed him to become Super Saiyan ROS'E, and he destroyed the other gods as revenge. Okay, so let's continue drawing. First you start with the eyes, and next thing you gotta do, you just gotta draw the time ring on his finger, the one that he stole from his master Goku, the Supreme Kai of Universe 10, which I'll draw up real soon. And okay then, let's see what we got here. If you probably saw my other versions, if you saw me draw the other characters, if you saw me draw Zamasu in my previous video, then you probably already know that Zamasu, the Supreme Kai from Universe 10, fused with Goku Black. The first episode we met him was the last time we ever saw Goku Black. You see, that was a special episode of Saga of Dragon Ball Super, where we finally got to see Goku and Trunks meeting again, and Trunks actually saw his future self. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, here's his teeth. Okay, next up, here's his ear. And here's the Batara earring on his face. There's his hair. Okay, then. Okay, so there's his chest. Okay, and make sure to use the red thing for his belt, because this belt here, this is from all the blood of all the mortals that he's killed. Pretty dark, don't you think? Anyways, next up, you just gotta add a couple of lines here. Oh, and one more thing. Super Saiyan ROS'E isn't complete without the pinkish aura that surrounds him. That's why I prefer Goku Black with the aura around his body. That way we'll be able to recognize him in Super Saiyan ROS'E. And done. And that is how you draw Goku Black ROS'E. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and be sure to let me know what kind of character I'll draw you guys next. Oh, and one more thing. When you're by your master, don't steal time rings. Okay? Especially if you're a Supreme Kai. Okay, that's all the time I have for now. And I'll see you later. And try to be nice to all the mortals, for heaven's sake.